Hey, good morning, traders. I'm going to have a shorter video this morning. So basically, everything's looking bullish today. We're running into tomorrow's numbers. So we got probably everybody's expecting a blowout number here from tomorrow. So buy the news, buy the rumor, sell the news type of scenario. Looks like we're probably going to continue higher this morning. First and foremost, we got to get above 456 this morning and hold. Okay. So I'm thinking early on, we're going to hold right above that and drift higher to the daily 50, possibly. And we still got to get above the previous week high on SPY. So our previous week high here is 457.67. So I'm thinking here in the morning session, we are going to be testing last week's high and deciding whether or not to hold prices above that going into the numbers this afternoon. So that's what I'm thinking here on SPY. Qs. Uh, so the Qs, I don't have we're above previous week's high, I think. I could have swore I drew that out. Wait 1 second here. So I had them, forgot to put that on my chart. Sorry about that. So previous week high is way up here. Remember, we had a bunch of mega tech stocks reporting last week. So we came down quite a bit here. So I'm thinking what they're going to try to do here is possibly even on tech back tested the 200-day moving average early on this morning. So let's see what happens here. How they might just crash it down immediately out of the gate. You never know. But I got two moving averages right above us here: the daily 20 at 2021 and then the daily 200. I think they're going to back test at least one of those two here in the morning session. Okay, IWM. So we are breaking above last week's high. Okay, so we technically have a breakout pattern here for that. Now, if this proves to be the case and we get a runner here with our Russell going into these possibly very strong numbers next week or Thursday, my next level here is up here at the 213 area. That's the daily 50 area, and I got a trend line up there too. So, possibly 213 today going into that numbers next week if they continue to hold a bid into those numbers. Okay. Individual tickers here. Okay. BABA. BABA, possibly we got a trend breakout on BABA. Now we are within inside last week's trading range. So that one's a little bit more iffy. It's not it isn't a weekly breakout. This is a trend line breakout. So a little bit more iffy. That will continue to pay out. Anytime you're inside the week, it's a little bit more dangerous. Baidu, we have a weak breakout here. So we are breaking out on Baidu here. I don't have any targets on my chart. I'm sorry. AMD, we are currently in a pre-market printing above previous week's high on AMD. Possibly a breakout pattern going on here. Applied Materials, right here at the previous high for last week. Boeing has already broken out. A previous week was way down here. Really strong pattern. Doing exactly what I expected to 61.8. You see how we're just basing right here today? This is setting up for the potential for a runner. So if it does start running, we should be the 218.20 area would be our first target. And like I said, some people got 220 targets. I've got 225, 226 target on this trend here, as long as the markets hold up here. Amazon this morning breaking out. Amazon is breaking out above previous week highs. So we did have earnings last week. We are above last week highs in Amazon here. So we got our technical 1 hour pivot resistance is up here at around 33,000. If we actually try to go to the 200-day moving average, which could very well be the case, 33.78. That's our 33.80 area is a possibility for Amazon to backtest the 200-day moving average into the numbers. Very possible scenario going on today. Broadcom, okay, we are Got a nice little bid here on Broadcom this morning. I think it's above last week's highs too. So I got that one. I don't have that one drawn out. Apple, right here at the top. This is a very significant resistance level for Apple. It has not proven to be a breakout pattern yet. They've held Apple out very well in this correction phase. So this one here, bottom line is if this thing starts breaking out the pre-market highs, the whole market's gonna go higher. Right here, right now, it has proven to be a very difficult long. Okay, so this is our bearish case for the open. Just knowing that they've sold up here before. So keep that on mind in the back of your mind here. So, you got to keep this on watch for today's session. We have not ever proven that they want to accept prices higher yet on that one. NVIDIA, we're right up here next to last week's highs on NVIDIA. Micron, we are currently above last week's highs, trying to break out on Micron. Keep that one on watch. Okay, so that's all I got to say here. I want to keep my videos short today. Am I bullish? I don't know. I mean, the overnight session is bullish. Tech seems to have a nice little bid here. It's all about Apple. Are they going to take Apple and actually break it out today? And if they do that, all the markets are going higher. But I do see definite signs the bullish case is more viable than the bearish case. So not because of the indices, because we do have critical 200-day moving averages in reaching and distance right above us here. And I think that's what they're going to try to do is a lot of these stocks, at least, close near their 200-day moving average going into the data coming out to tomorrow. Okay. So please like the video. You can follow me, Gumby9662C on Twitter. You can ask any comments or anything at the bottom of the YouTube video if you want, or write me directly in the chat rooms. And please, retweet my videos. Guys, let's get some viewers on these videos here. It's a lot of work doing these videos, and I'm just not getting the readers that I should be getting, or the watchers that I should be getting. I mean, I should be getting hundreds of people on these videos, but I'm not getting them. So so there you go. Okay, I will see you guys in the rooms today.